Hi, this is architect Sumati Agrawal, the creative head of Studio Arcs. Studio Arcs is my firm which was set up in 2010. We have our office in Shastri Nagar and Pidampura. So in Studio Arcs, we deal with all sort of architecture, interiors, bespoke furniture, customization and installations. So we've completed till date more than 80 projects, out of which a few of them which are very important to us are Vinender Sehwag's farmhouse, which was in Chhatarpur. We completed a stadium in Lali, which was Chaudhary Bansi Lal Cricket Stadium, where Sachin played his last Ranji match. That was done by us in 2013. And recently we finished up with a high-end bungalow in Punjabi Bagh, and many more projects are running and completed till date. Regarding this project, which is at Unity Amaryllis, is belonging to a client from Geneva. The brief from the client was very simple. He wanted a very simple house, as he's a bureaucrat from WHO, serving WHO since last 20 years in Geneva and in many other countries. So he wanted his house to be a palette of white with a few colors. So we created this house as a painting in which the basic palette, the basic canvas was white, which was painted with a few spots of yellows, blues, pinks and a few more colors, and this painting was created in such a manner. So if I take you to the tour of this house entry as the Indian culture that the shoes should remain outside the house. So we have kept a shoe rack at the entrance of the house along with a seating area so that anybody can sit and wear their shoes and all. As soon as one enters the house, the living area is there, which is having a seating in yellow shade and a very Indian carpet and a very minimal color palette. We've placed the paintings which is matching to the color palette of the living in the dining area, and the sofas are very minimal in nature and in yellow color so that anybody who enters the house get a glimpse of the house in a very bold manner. So the dining table is 4-seater and the color palette in the dining is white and teal shades. So the area entirely is designed in a European style, keeping the palette white. Every color signifies a different nature of a different person in the house, and bold colors signifies the boldness of the person, and simple color signifies the simple nature of the housemaker. So even the paintings have a relevance to the kind of styling we have done in the house. These paintings are kept very minimal. We've kept an elephant on one of the walls because elephant, a female elephant, is a symbol of fertility. The homemaker of the family is expecting a baby very soon, so we've kept a female elephant as a painting over the wall. So we've not kept any TV in the living area because the client thinks that having a TV area in the common room generally have a clash of thoughts of different ages. So they've kept the TVs inside the bedrooms instead of having them in the living area. So we've dedicated one wall for the certificates of the clients because he has served his 20 years in different countries for UNESCO. So the furnishing in this area is all cotton and linen. We've not chosen any other fabric rather than going in for a cotton and a linen fabric because that resembles more towards the European culture. So this is the guest room of the house. So as the client is coming from outside the country, so we've kept the guest room very simple in a very pastel manner. We've used a teal color in the armchair, and similarly we've kept the paintings in a green palette, and the rest of the things are in beige and grey tone. We've not kept a lot of colors in this room because keeping colors cannot be very soothing with the eyes, and a lot of visitors visit their house, so they need a guest room in a very simple manner. So they've kept a TV, a simple console in a grey shade, a typical Carrara, and simple, elegant, beautiful curtains with nice drapes.
This is the daughter's room. Their daughter is very special to them. So this room is very simple. It is having a tinge of peach in it. The bed is very subtle silk fabric upholstered bed with two pitchway cows in contrasting colors on the top of it. There is a dressing area on the side of the bed. We have not kept a side table on the right side. There is a nice this study table where she can take her online classes, and she has kept a few of the photo frames of her childhood and her parents to give a warmth to the room.
So now we enter the main room of the house, which is the master bedroom. It is having a very European style of a bed, all carved from the headboard and in pink color. So the comforter even used in the bed is having a kind of embroidery on it. The color palette of the room again is kept pink. On one side of the bed, we have the dressing table for the house lady, and on the other side, we have the side table to accommodate a small lamp. Then on the sides of the side table, we have a way to the dressing room and the bathroom. The wing chair is in maroon color, which is contrasting the bed color. We've kept the flooring as wooden so that it is different from the rest of the house. And the armchair is having a beautiful painting at the back, which is of a girl having wine shade lips, so that the room gives an impact of a couple's room. So as the artist signs the painting at the end, so this is Sumati Agarwal signing off with the tour of the house. Hope you liked the house. So this is one of the kind of the project which we do. If you like the project, if you want to see more of our work, you can log into our Instagram handle, which is studio_arcs, and you can feel free to contact us for any kind of consultation. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sanjay Kumar Chaudhary, and recently I have shifted to Unity The Amaryllis apartment, which is on New Rohtak Road. My interior has been done by Arc Studios. The best part of them is, like, during this phase of last 3 months, I am based in Geneva, but remotely the way they have organized everything and they have handed over the flat on time, that was really appreciated. Work done by them are really awesome, and more than me, my family is more happy to see all this, and we are fully satisfied with the interiors done by the group, and all the people in this group was really cooperative and understandable, and they have done the interior based on our emotions, because this house is more linked to my daughter emotions, not to me, and this is a great gift to my wife and to my daughter. So we are fully satisfied with their services, and I wish them good luck for their future endeavor. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sanskriti Chaudhary, and this was my dream house, and I really liked it. It's very beautiful, and the best part that I liked it was my room and my study table.
हाय, मेरा नाम मनीषा है और ये हमारा घर आर्क स्टूडियो ने डिज़ाइन किया है, और इसका बेस्ट पार्ट है कि हम जिनेवा में थे और जिनेवा में रह के हमने ये घर रेडी करवाया, और सुमति से बहुत ही अच्छा जो भी था हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन हुआ, और हमारी जो एक्सपेक्टेशन थी उसको सुमति ने बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया। हमारी छोटी छोटी रिक्वायरमेंट को उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से डिज़ाइन करके हमारे सामने बहुत ही सिंपल और बहुत ही खूबसूरत घर हमें दिया।